Hello everyone, the 458 Scooter here today, and today an in-depth review of the 2014 Suzuki Swift Sport. So without further ado, let's go and take a look at it. The car will chime twice to let you know that you've unlocked the car. The Suzuki Swift Sport does have a smart key system. All you have to do is keep the keys in your pocket. You can utilise the smart key features. All you have to do, press once, that locks all the doors, I think. Yep. And press twice again. Well, press once, opens the driver door, press twice. It will chime 4 times to let you know you've unlocked all 4 doors. With the Swift Sport, you get doors that will remain in any location you set them. Usually with car doors, there are predefined locations at which the door will stop, but you can move the door anywhere and the door will stop. This is for parking in tight spaces and so on. We have a silver exterior with an all black red contrast interior with red contrast stitching going across the cloth seats and the Sport logo prominent in the middle. The Suzuki does have a smart key system. What you need to do is have your foot on the clutch, and an indicator will come up on the speedometer, and press the engine start button. Very smooth startup. You have your 3-spoke design, leather wrapped steering wheel with perforation off to the sides. Very smooth. You also have red contrast stitching going around all of the steering wheel. Metal effect plastic all around each spoke. A very nice chrome Suzuki logo, and it also acts as your horn crest. There are also various multimedia controls that, as always in my reviews, will be demonstrated at the appropriate section. As far as storage goes, you are spoilt for choice. Over at the top of the dashboard here, we have a small storage compartment. There is no centre storage here. That makes up for it. You obviously have your dashboard. This one has the central locking nut in it. There's also little storage pockets at the side of each door. Very nice. You also have your cigarette lighter and USB input in this little slot here. A very simple air conditioning system contrasted with this LCD display. To turn it on, all you have to do is press the AC button and change the fan speed. You can change the temperature with this little slider here to exactly what temperature you want it. To turn it off again, all you have to do is press the off button. You can also have rear defogging and front defogging. There's also the auto mode, so you can have any temperature you want. Very nice. The radio in the Suzuki is Bluetooth enabled. To turn it on, all you have to do is press this nice volume button. It hasn't been tuned yet as this car is brand new, but as usual you can have predefined stations with these buttons. There are 6 available. You can also connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and there are also various other controls such as mute and so on. You can also have AM, FM input, a CD input, and so on. As I mentioned earlier, there are also multimedia controls on the steering wheel. I'll just switch the radio on. To your left, you can see the mute button for the radio. Oh sorry, that was the mode. Mute. You can change the mode to FM, CD input, so on. You can also change the radio station. I'll just switch it back to the radio station it was on. To the right you have your cruise control settings, but I'm not going to mess with them. You also have voice input, I believe. That is the Bluetooth. I think you also have a phone, but you need a SIM card inserted there. We'll just go back to the radio. I'm just pressing this button. The Suzuki has a 6-speed manual. As you can see, leather trimmed with the red stitching again. The Suzuki also has electronically adjustable mirrors. To utilise them, as many of the cars I've done, you choose the mirror by choosing the left and right on the knob. I'll just set it for the right mirror. And then move it just like you would on maybe an Xbox 360 analog stick to the direction that you want the mirror to go. Obviously, that controls which mirror. Very simple. There is also a remote locking system. Now let's go and take a look at the exterior. Your hazards are located near your air conditioning vents. Fog lights and headlights are located here. Windows are fully automatic on the driver's side. And let's go and check out the exterior. When you step out of the car with the key in your pocket, the car will chime a few times to let you know that it's lost detection of the proximity key detector. The Swift is now Suzuki's flagship range. The Sport, which is the newest addition to that range, offers a sporty feel for the discerning customer, offering unique styling cues unique to the Sport version, such as the red contrast stitching and the double exhausts. It makes a more sporty appearance and a slightly better power output. The Swift has a curb weight of 1,048 kilograms and a gross vehicle weight of 1,480 kilograms. And we'll open up the bonnet. The Swift Sport features an updated 4-cylinder engine with 1.6 litre fuel tank and a max engine capacity of 1,586cc. These specs combined with this small weight propel the Swift Sport to a maximum speed of 121 miles an hour, an acceleration 0 to 62 miles an hour of 8.7 seconds. The Swift Sport runs on 17-inch alloy rims with internally ventilated brake discs at the front. The Suzuki Swift also comes with a boot, hydraulic opening, and as usual there's quite a large amount of boot space with the Suzuki. Definitely enough for your average shop. Suzuki runs on unleaded petrol. And just for demo's sake, we'll get into the passenger side. Easily accessible to the radio. Just as comfortable as the driver's side. And let's take a look at the passenger door. Passenger door also opens at any angle. And we have your red contrast stitching. There's a very nice amount of room. Good leg room for the size of the car. You also have storage pockets on this side. There's also red contrast stitching going across the back of this seat. And we'll see how the Suzuki Swift sounds. Very smooth. I'll see you next time, guys.